Rakshit. See, some sounds are coming, children. Be quiet, everyone. Yes, are you all ready for the class? If you show your digital thumb, we shall start the class. Shall we start our class, children? All of you show your digital thumb. Kartikeya, Tanish, Hasini, Prem, Pragna, switch on the videos. Children, this is last time I'm telling you, if you didn't switch on the videos, I won't allow you for the class. If there is no video, I am not going to allow you for the class, children. All of you should switch on the videos. Yes, children, as you all know, yesterday you have attended English DZ class. Aravind, where are you, Aravind? As you all know, yesterday you attended English DZ class. Today afternoon we'll be having Maths DZ class, children. Okay, you all know you have to be ready with your journals, and I'll send you a message what you should be ready with, papers, pencils or sketch pens, what you will need. I'll post in the group. Then you have to be ready with all those things. Okay, everyone? Tanish, sit properly. Tanish. Prem, no video, Prem. Yakub, I can't see your face, Yakub. And now we shall have the regular class, children, whereas we are discussing about block 5 and block 6 regarding additions and subtractions, adding 3-digit numbers and subtracting 3-digit number. Adding three-digit numbers are over. Now let us see subtracting 3-digit numbers, children, using regrouping. Did you remember the word regrouping, everyone? So today we'll see regrouping, subtractions with and without regrouping. Okay, everyone? Okay, the first question follows. All of you listen carefully. Yakub, some sound is coming, Yakub. Children, I want pin drop silence. Aniket, switch on the video, Aniket. All of you be ready with your rough books or all of you be ready with your rough books. I'll show you the screen, children. First, let us start with subtractions. So the first question, 436 minus 125. I'll show it on the screen. So this is the question, children, 436 minus 125. All of you starting subtraction using column method. We all know 436 minus 125. With what place you need to start subtracting? Type your answer in the chat box. From which place you need to start subtracting? Ones place or tens place or hundreds place? Very good, Jashvita.
Ones place, miss.
Very good, children. Very good. From ones place you have to start subtracting. So all of you, after writing like this, all of you put ones, tens and hundreds. O-T-H. Now all of you have 6 here and 5 here. All of you open 6 fingers, cut off 5 fingers. What is your answer? Type in the chat box, don't tell out. Cut off 5 fingers. You'll get 1 as answer. Very good. And next come to tens place. Open 3 fingers, cut off 2 fingers. Then you'll get 1. And if you come to the hundreds place, open 4 fingers, cut off 1 finger. Then you'll get the number 3. So your answer is 311. So children, if you see like this subtractions, these subtractions are called without regrouping. There is no regrouping here. Did you remember in grade 2 I told you asking from friends? You should ask from your friend tens. Did you remember in grade 2 I have told you? You should ask from your friend Aniket and Bhargav. Aniket should sit in front of the camp. Bhargav, you go that side. Okay, children, I'll give you 2 more. You have to solve them fast. 528. Who is going to solve the first? 107. 632 minus 120. All of you solve these 2 subtractions. Make it fast. I want answers fast. Quick answer. Havish. Do Havish.
Tell again. Read it, miss. Miss, question tell again.
Sakshit, I am showing you on the screen. See the screen, Sakshit. 528 minus 107. 632 minus 120. Look at the screen, Sakshit. Sakshit, look at the screen. So if you click on my cam 2 times, if you click on my, see my name. Children.
421, miss.
Very good, Hasini. Very good, children. You are typing your answers in the chat box. Very good. Good habit. That is very good habit. You should type your answers in the chat box.
నన్ను చూడండి సాక్షి ఎలా నిజంగా నువ్వు చూడాలి కదా ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో
Second answer is 512.
Children, you have to type your answers in the chat box. I won't allow. Don't talk. If you give your answers in the chat box, then only I'll consider your answers. Very good. Everybody is giving the answers. Very good. Excellent, children. Excellent. These are very easy, right? So now let us go with the regrouping subtractions, children. Regrouping subtractions. If you are done, show me your thumb, everyone. If you are done. Nandan, hi. Are you doing, Nandan? Aravind wants check the second answer, Aravind. Havish, where are you? I want video. Chaitra, Pragna, Satvik, I want videos. Children, again and again, I won't tell. If your video is not there, I am going to exit you from the meeting. I am going to remove you from the meeting. Okay, all of you look at the screen, children, now. So now we are going with regrouping. All of you put the heading regrouping. 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 All of you put the heading regrouping. Children, if you have any doubt regarding anything, if you can raise your hand, or if you type in the chat box, I have a doubt, then I'll unmute you, then you can talk, children, if you have any doubt. So let us go with the regrouping subtractions. How to do this regrouping subtractions? Listen very carefully. All of you first note the question, children. First, all of you note the question. 382 minus 139. 382 minus 139. All of you note the question, and you already know you have how you will write in column method. 382 minus 139. Minus 139. Children, if you can't see the screen, touch on my name 2 times. My name will be there, no? On that screen, you have to touch 2 times. Then you can see the numbers clearly. See, you already know what is my name. Anita Rekha will be there. See, touch on my screen 2 times. Then you can see the... Jashvita, I didn't tell how to do. Who are typing answers in the chat box? Okay, children. Now let us see how to regroup. So always after writing like this, what you should write? Ones, tens, hundreds. All of you mark ones, tens and hundreds. Aravind, what is that? Sit properly. Okay. Children, now all of you look at the ones place. Here it is 2 is given and here it is 9. If you observe, 2 is smaller than 9. All of you open 2 fingers and cut off 9 fingers. Is it possible? Is it possible, children? After opening 2 fingers, can you cut off 5? Can you cut off 9 fingers? Is it possible, Nana? No, it's not possible, children. So we should take from our friend tens. So in tens place, what is the digit, children? In tens place, what is the digit? Type your answer in the chat box. In tens place, what is the digit? I want quick answers, children. What is the digit in tens place? Good, Ishwari. Good, Aniket. Yes, very good. The tens place digit is 8. So from 8, you have to ask. Then it will give you 1. So from 8, if I ask 1, if I take 1 from 8, it will become 7. All of you write 7. So if I take 1 from 8, it will become 7. So I have taken 1 from 8. That one you should carry to ones place. So now it will become 12, children. So again listen carefully. When it is not possible with ones place, you have to go for tens place, and from tens place you have to take 1. Then it will become 12, children. As if you are taking 1 from tens place, it will become 7. Now if you observe, now come to tens place, ones place, children. In ones place, here it is 12 and here it is 9. So now 12 is greater than 9. Now we can subtract 9 from 12. It is very easy. So after 9 after, count up to 12, everyone. 9 after 10, 11, 12. How many fingers did you open? 9 after, count up to 12. 9 after, count up to 12. 3 fingers you open. So all of you write 3 in ones place. Now come to tens place, children. In tens place, what is the digit here? All of you put a circle for 7. I cut off 8 and I wrote 7. So now all of you see the number 7. Here it is 3. All of you open 7 fingers and cut off 3 fingers. What is your answer? Open 7 fingers and cut off 3 fingers. Type your answer in the chat box, Nandan. Open 7 fingers and cut off 3 fingers. Yes, very good, children. You'll get 4. Now all of you come to the hundreds place. In hundreds place, the digit is 3 here. All of you open 3 fingers, cut off 1 finger. 2. So your answer is 243. Okay, children, now let us see one more example. Now let us see one more example, everyone. So, all of you write. One more example. 403 minus 265. All of you note the question. 403 minus 265. All of you note the question, children. Hi, Anushvi. Are you following, Anushvi? (403 minus 265). So let us solve using regrouping only. All of you write 403 minus 265. Now what you should mark? Ones, tens, hundreds. Very neatly, children, very neatly. Hasini, where are you? Dedipya, where is Hasini? Okay, children, now let us solve using regrouping. So all of you look at the screen. Now here it is 3, here it is 5. Open 3 fingers, cut off 5 fingers. Open 3 fingers, cut off 5 fingers. Is it possible, children?
No.
No, it's not possible. So you should ask your friend tens. So all of you come to tens place. In tens place, what is the digit?
0.
0, children. From 0, can you take anything? So here, ones place is not possible. So we went for tens place. In tens place, the digit is 0. From 0, we can't take anything. So from tens place, from your friend tens, you can't take anything. So when the digit is 0 in tens place, you have to go to the next place, hundreds. Now tell me, children, what is the digit in hundreds place? Type in the chat box. What is the digit in hundreds place? Type in the chat box. Very good, children. Very good. Tanish, Satvik, Nainika. Very good. Yakub. Very good, ma. Good, Satvik. Yes, the digit is 4 here. From 4 you can take now. From 4 you can take 1. From 4 if you take 1, what it will become? From 4, open 4 fingers, cut off 1. From 4 if you take 1, it will become 3. All of you write 3 and put a circle for 3. Now I have taken 1 from hundreds place. Now this 1 you should carry to the tens place, not ones place, children. You should carry to the tens place. So 0 beside if you put 1, it will become 10. It will become 10, children. Now 10 is a biggest number. Now 10 is a bigger number. From 10, You can ask now. From 10 you can ask and you can take for 3.
Miss, mute తీస్తావా? Miss, 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 Abhishek host. This is not Abhishek the host now. The host.
Yes, children. Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me, everyone? Can you hear me? Show me your thumb, children. Can you all hear me? Yes, very good, Nana. Very good. Yes, where we are now? Now, I have taken from hundreds place 1 and 0 became 10 now. 0 became 10. So 0 became 10, children. Look at the screen, everyone. Look at the screen now. So here it is 10. Now from 10 you can take 1. From 10 if you subtract 1 it will become 9. All of you put 9 and put a circle here. Now 10 I have taken 1. Now that 1 I'll write beside of 3. So it became 13. So 5 after count up to 13, children, everyone. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did you open? Type in the chat box. How many fingers did you open? Very good, Aradhya. Very good. Nainika, Tanish, very good. Yes, you have opened 8 fingers. Now all of you write 8 in one's place. Now come to 10th place. Now in 10th place, what is the digit 9 here? And here it is 6. All of you take out 9 fingers and cut off 6. Take out 9 fingers and cut off 6. Good, Nainika. Good, Aniket. You'll get 3. Now all of you come to tens, hundreds place. Now here it is 3 and you have 2. 3 minus 2, what is your answer? Yes, good. 1. So your answer is 138 children. 138. Children, I will now your meeting will be ended. Join all of you quickly. Rejoin everyone. Did you all understood? All of you should rejoin quickly. Show me your thumb. Everybody should rejoin. Children, I'm telling you, who is not going to rejoin after the break, I won't allow you them for DZ class in the afternoon session. Everybody should rejoin. Who are not rejoining, I'll write their names. Okay? Then I won't allow for DZ class. Everybody should rejoin. Have some water and quickly rejoin. Children, have some water. Quickly rejoin.
Connecting.
Children, quiet everyone. Quiet. Quiet children. Quiet. Children, what are those sounds? Quiet everyone.
Miss Quiet.
Quiet. Yes, children. Now I'll show you some questions on the screen. You have to solve them and you have to answer. Okay. Now quickly all of you be ready with your rough books. I'll show you the screen. I'll give you 4 questions on the screen. You have to do using column method very neatly. After completion, you have to show your books on the screen. You have to show your books on the screen. Get ready with your pencils and rough books. Start doing everyone. I'm sharing you the screen. First, all of you note the questions. After it, start doing the answers. First, all of you note the questions. Can you all see the screen, children? Show me your thumb if you can see the screen. Can you all show this? Can you all see the screen? Show your thumb, Nana. First, all of you know the questions. First, all of you know the questions. Be quiet, children. Don't talk. First, all of you know the questions.
Miss, one show the screen.
Yes, I'll show you the screen. All of you note the questions. Then after you can start doing answers. First, all of you note the questions. Who noted the questions? Tell me, Miss, I have noted the questions. I will start doing. Tell me like that and start doing. First note the questions, everyone. Quiet, children, quiet.
It's completed, Miss.
Who completed noting down the questions? You can start. You can start doing, children. You can start doing.
Miss Aniket also completed noting questions, Miss.
You can start doing.
Miss completed, Miss.
Yes, start doing.
It's completed, Miss. It's completed noting. Can I write, Miss?
Yes, you can write. And type and answers you should type in the chat box, children. Answers you should type in the chat box. Don't give out the answers. You should type in the chat box. If it is not possible, you should ask from next place your friend.
I see.
308. 308.
నేనే కదా కట్ చెప్పింది.
Hey, who is that? Somebody is talking. Children, all of you type your answers in the chat box. Don't create any noise. First, all of you note the questions, then after, start doing the answers. Type your answers in the chat box, Nana, if you have completed. Children, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand or type in the chat box. Miss, I have a doubt. Yakub, do you have any doubt, ma? Yakub? Pragna, do you have any doubt? Hiteshini, where is Havish?
Miss, I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me what is your doubt?
Miss, we have 7:35 Miss. I wrote once Miss. Then 10 to 100 I don't know Miss.
Prem, ask the question again.
Miss, I wrote once 7 Miss.
Okay.
Miss, 10s and 100s I don't know.
Which question, Nana? All questions are first question.
Miss, what we should write?
You should start doing using column method, Navya. How we have did now. I have done 2 sums and I have shown you know like that you have to do now.
Miss, I have last question doubt Miss.
Prem Charan, last question 735 minus 168 is given no. First you have to start doing from ones place. Okay.
Miss, I did once. 100 only I don't know.
Ones place you did know. Now hundreds place. In hundreds place you'll get it too. What? Sakshit, wait. Sakshit, where is column method? What is that way of doing, Sakshit? How I told you to do? Who told you the answers, Sakshit? Who told you the answers?
I only calculate.
Then do using column method. You are using phone, Sakshit? Prem Charan, after doing the ones place, you will get in tens place 2 you will get Nana. Then you will get 2 no. 2 is smaller number. Again you should take from hundreds place. You should take from hundreds place. Aniket, excellent. Children, Aniket completed 4 sums and he gave the answers. Give a digital clap for Aniket, everyone. Children, you don't know digital clap, right? Aradhya, once check your answer when it is 0 minus 6. See, you should take from hundreds. From hundreds place you should take. Children, if you get smaller number in tens place, you should take from hundreds place. Children, today your homework is block 6, S1, S2 and S3 you have to complete. S1, S2, S3. Did you all understood the homework? Show me your thumb who understood the homework. Block 6, S1, S2, S3. Put a tick mark, children, so that you'll... Very good, Akshara. Very good. Akshara also completed, children. 4 questions. Very good, Akshara. Very good, Yakub. Satvik, Akshara, Premcharan, Aradhya, no videos, nothing. Hemant, Fatima, no videos. Understood the homework, children? Understood the homework? You have to complete worksheet S1, S2, S3.
Yes, ma'am. Incomplete, ma'am.
Incomplete today you should complete, Tanish, if you have any incomplete.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, do you know afternoon you have DZ class?
Yay! Miss.
Yesterday did you watch English DZ class? English DZ class?
Ma'am, completed.
Very good.
Miss, which page में? Yes, ma'am. Miss, show numbers में, sums में.
Hiteshini, why Havish is hiding? I don't understand why Havish is hiding.
Completed.
Where is he?
Miss, show sums में.
Very good, Navya.
Ma'am, completed.
Children who completed, open your worksheet and start doing S1. Who completed, open block 6 worksheet and start doing S1.
Maths worksheet. Ma'am, completed. Miss.
Children. What, Nana? Children, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Raise your digital hand. You should not talk as you like. Raise your digital hand. Children, who finished doing those 4 sums? All of you open worksheet. Block 6. Start doing first one. Open block 6 S1. Sakshit, open the worksheet. Start doing S1.
Miss, show sums, miss. Miss,
Okay.
completed, Miss Aniket. Sums completed, miss. Miss, completed, miss.
Starting
completed,
S1,
miss.
block 6. Children in block 5. Children in block 5 we did not do. Children in block 5 we did not complete S4. About that S4 I'll tell you in the next class. So all of you open block 6 and start doing S1. About block 5 S4 I'll tell you afterwards. Children, after doing the homework, you have to post the pics in a WhatsApp group so that I'll check and I'll tell you if there are any mistakes. See why we are asking to post in the WhatsApp group. These are very helpful for your exams. So when your exams will come, you should be ready with all the concepts, no? So you should post in the WhatsApp group. Then I'll clarify if you have any doubts or if you are doing any mistakes. Children, afternoon, all of you should be ready with your maths journals. Maths DZ book. Maths DZ book, pencil, scale, eraser, compulsory for DZ class. Without a scale, if you come for DZ class, that is useless. You should have scale, pencil, eraser, compulsory. Before the class, you should sharp your pencils, and you'll need some resources, children. I'll post a message in the WhatsApp group. So read that message carefully. I'll tell you what things you need for the DZ class. Then you should be ready with those things. Who completed those 4 sums? Start doing worksheet. Aravind, have any doubt? Aravind, have any doubt, boy?
Miss, which page, Miss? Miss, show some, Miss. What is last one, Miss? Last answer.
Answer or question, Aravind, do you want?
Question.
735 minus 168. Look at the screen.
Okay, Miss. Right.
Don't spelling that.
Yes, children, I'll send you the link for afternoon class in the group. Everybody should join.
Miss, show last summer.
Navya, why you didn't note the questions? I told you to note the questions first. Note the question. Children who completed, start doing worksheet part. Good, Chaitra, very good. Do the last question also, Chaitra. Sakshit, are you doing Sakshit? Very good, Tanish. Tanish, do the third question also, Tanish.
Miss, how you should write this, Miss?
Read the word problem, Nana. That is, you should read and you should complete it. So one mistake is given. What is that mistake? You should find out. Read the question, Chaitra.
Miss, I read.
Once read now. Read the question, I'll tell.
Ram subtract 137 from 156 and he got 331 as different ways. He answered correct. Check the answer by adding. Miss, completed. Worksheet, what page we should write, Miss?
Block 6 S1, Navya. Yes,
Yes,
Chaitra, you read
completed.
the question, no? He did one subtraction. So whether it is correct or not, you have to check, Chaitra.
Yes.
What numbers are given once do the see 156 and 137 you have to add.
Yes,
If you add those two numbers, you are getting 331 or not. If you get 331, that means he did correct. If you didn't get 331, he did wrong. Understood, Chaitra?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, completed.
S1. Good children. Who completed S1, start doing S2. Children, you have to, today you have to practice 4 and 5 tables 2 times. 4 and 5 tables.
Yes, miss.
Everybody.
HW, miss.
Yes, in HW, in maths, HW, you have to practice 4 and 5 tables. So in the next class, I'll ask you children 4 table and 5 table. I may ask in the middle also. You should be able to give the answer. Ishwari, are you doing Ishwari? Aravind, what is that, Nana? Is that the way you sit in the class? We should not do such type of actions. Sit properly. Yakub completed.
S1 completed.
Start doing S2. Why are you sitting idle, children? Who completed S1, start doing S2?
Now only I completed.
Okay. Havish, are you doing? Sadhika, you don't do. Let Sakshit do. Tanish, doing?
S1 completed. I have the answer.
Good. Yes, children, again we'll meet in the afternoon DZ class. Bye, everyone.
Bye, miss.
Afternoon DZ class. Get ready, everyone. I'll send you the link in the WhatsApp group. Bye.
Bye, miss. Bye.